Stop sitting stranded on a dark highway shoulder waiting hours for an expensive tow truck or fumbling around with filthy, broken quarters at a sketchy gas station air pump just to fix a low tire warning. Welcome back. If you want to claim absolute roadside independence, save your fuel mileage, and handle unexpected tire emergencies in seconds flat, the Airmoto portable tire inflator and cordless air compressor is your ultimate automotive safety net for 2026. This isn't an old-school, clunky air compressor that forces you to untangle a messy 12-volt wire and drag it through the mud to reach your back tires. It is an ultra-compact, battery-powered pneumatic powerhouse. The absolute showstopper feature of the Airmoto is its intelligent real-time digital pressure gauge paired with an automated smart shutoff function. Operating on a heavy-duty, high-capacity internal rechargeable battery, you simply screw the flexible air hose onto your tire valve, read your exact current PSI on the crisp backlit LCD screen, set your desired target pressure, and hit start. The internal smart sensor monitors the airflow dynamically, instantly killing the motor the exact millisecond your tire reaches the perfect inflation level, completely eliminating any risk of dangerous overinflation. What makes the Airmoto a mandatory glove box or backpack asset for 2026 drivers, riders, and cyclists is its raw multi-tool versatility and extreme pocket-sized mobility. Though it weighs less than a pound and takes up less space than a standard water bottle, its high-pressure cylinder easily pushes up to a massive $120 PSI. This allows it to effortlessly inflate car tires, heavy motorcycle tires, high-pressure bicycle tubes, and sports equipment on a single charge. Engineered to handle stressful midnight breakdowns with absolute ease, the top of the chassis features an integrated high-intensity LED flashlight to illuminate your workspace and keep you highly visible to oncoming traffic. Arriving out of the box with a complete 4-piece nozzle adapter kit, including a specialized Presta-valve adapter, a needle nozzle for basketballs, and custom inflatables tips, along with a quick-charging USB-C port, it transforms a stressful, flat tire emergency into a minor, 2-minute pit stop. Click the link below for the best price and secure your peace of mind on the road today. If this breakdown helped you find the ultimate pocket-sized roadside companion for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart, high-yield survival gear that keeps you moving safely. See you in the next one.